Good morning to all of you. In this video lecture, we are going to see about the subject Automobile Engineering CME 380. In this, we are going to see Unit 2 Video Lecture 1. So, in this, we are going to see the topic Fuel Injection Systems Classifications. Okay, let's go to the slides. Yeah, in that first one is the single point fuel injection system. So actually we have given the diagram. So in this diagram there's a single fuel injector which supplies fuel spray to all the other engines through the inlet intake manifold. Okay, so now we can see the functions. It has only one injector that injects the fuel before entering into the intake manifold. In this system, the fuel is mixed with the fuel fuel before the throttle valve. The single point fuel injection system is also known as throttle body injection. The amount of fuel injected is decided by the engine control unit. The engine control unit takes the input from different sensors and decides the amount of fuel to be supplied for the injection. The fuel injector sprays the fuel for mixing with the flow of air and air fuel mixtures that to the inlet manifold. Now we can see the advantages and limitations of the single point fuel injection system. Advantages: number one, simple in construction. Number two, accurate fuel supply in comparison with others with carburetor system. Easy maintenance. And the fourth point is it uses only a single injector. And the last one is reliable in operation. So these are the main advantages of the single point fuel injection system. Now we can see the disadvantages. Ununiform fuel supplied to all cylinders, less efficiency. It wets the intake manifold by forming a layer of fuel on the intake manifold. Low fuel economy. So in this figure we are seeing the multi-point fuel injection system. So here we are having multiple fuel injectors for separate cylinders. So individual injectors for different cylinders, and they are placed under a common fuel rail system. So which is supplied with the help with the fuel from the electronic control unit, and these individual injectors applies the correct quantity of fuel to the each engines. Now we are going to list out the advantages and disadvantages of this multi-point fuel injection system. First of all, we can see about the advantages of this system. The first point is the system is reliable, and the second point is it reduces the difference in power that each cylinder creates. It increases the fuel efficiency of an engine, better automation of fuel. MPFI system have fewer emissions, better utilization and distribution of fuel within an engine, better acceleration and deceleration of an engine. It improves the cold start properties of the engine. Vibrations is reduced in the engine. Improves durability and functionality of an engine. And now we can see about the disadvantages of this MPFI system. Misfiring might occur sometimes. It requires regular inspection and of fuel injectors. The system is expensive compared to conventional systems. Repairing a fuel injector can be tedious compared to carburetors. The system usually has a shorter life. ECU failure could occur suddenly. And the last final point is a hot engine might be difficult to start due to possible vapor lock in the steel fuel lines above the engine. That's all for now, guys. We can see the next topic in the next upcoming videos.